Get in there, you little bunny. Go ahead, hop in there with the clown and the, what is that, a prostitute? Go ahead, hop in there with the clown and the prostitute.
Just a couple of below the lines handsome gentlemen.
Let's practice this.
Doing some BTS. Abnormal attraction, get with it.
You ready yet, Renee?
Am I ready for what?
Pretty close up.
I'm always ready. Well, no, that's not true.
There she is.
Day deuce. Day 13.
We're still not done.
What's going on?
Just hanging out, doing a whole lot of nothing.
Can't believe what I'm doing here.
Why are you taking me? I'm not in the picture.
And until he said that we're wrapping, my last day on set, so we gotta go out and bank.
No, I tried to back the whole way. Because that's what it looked like. It looked like you were trying to just move the rock with the car.
It's the clown.
I'm back.
Oh yeah.
It was magical. I really did. New York is awesome.
Did you get fuzzy? You look great.
I got sticky. And then I got fuzzy because I was sticky.
Mr. Iglesias, we got any secrets that we have to know about your daughter?
None of them I can disclose at the moment. I'll get killed.
Good answer.
We're making a movie.
It's late.
Oh.
It is late, my friends.
Tired. On set. Just about done.
Putting shadows in the shot.
Putting shadows in the shot.
No, it's not me. I'm way cooler.
Everything's going really, really well. Yeah, Brianna's been super nice to me.
Good. That's a first.
He's lucky.
Emilio!
No, I was joking because I don't know what the hell I'm doing.
Yes. Oh, you got that, you scumbag.
You got that.
Oh, you're a dick.
Yes.
Stop hogging the covers.
You've had like an equivalent of 30 inches of dick on this bed.
Yeah, that was when I sat on it.
He is a legend.